day and welcome to Smart Spark Academy. Today we'll be taking chemistry, periodic table. So we'll be filling this periodic table. That's why I left it empty. When we fill it, you will not understand why periodic table is important. You will not understand the first 21 elements and 20 elements and how to fill them. So first things first, we'll fill all these blank spaces, fill them with the necessary elements that are meant to be here, and I will be telling you the reasons why the elements have to be what have to be here. So the first one here is what? Hydrogen. Hydrogen has an atomic number of 1. So you place your 1 here. Atomic number of 1. And it has an atomic number of 1. The next one will be what? Helium. Atomic number of 2. Hydrogen, helium, lithium. Atomic number of beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, fluorine, argon, potassium, calcium. From here are called transitional elements or transitional elements. So these are from here to here, and the rest are called transitional elements. We'll not be talking about them for now, talking about them in the next video. So we're talking about transitional elements in the next video, but for now let's talk about our periodic table. So I was saying, according to their atomic number, that's how you move. So this is hydrogen, helium, lithium, 3, we stop at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So these are the first 20 elements, and their and the atomic number attached to them, arranged properly in the periodic. Now, the intelligent scientists that structure this thing like this, intelligent scientists that structure this thing like this, it's called, his name is Dmitry Mendeleev. So he is a Russian scientist. So he arranged the elements in order of increasing atomic number. Yeah, there were gaps, there were spaces. Maybe by that time they have not discovered oxygen, they will just give some spaces and little stuff and do stuff, etc. So we are a bit lost, is that. The properties of the elements. Take that. Periodic function. Periodic function of the atomic number. Alright, that's that one. So this is group, this is period. So from the group 1 to 3 are metals,
Not 4 here. Not 4.
Group 1 to 3 are metals. Group 4 goes to non-metal, metalloids. Metalloids or semi-metal. Then 5 to 7, group 5 to 7. Group 5 to 7 are what? Non-metals. Then group 8 or group 0 is what's noble gases. So this is the basic structure of what? Of a periodic table. Now there are names for this group. Okay, I was saying group 1 to what? Group 3. But each family has their own name. So this group here, group 1, the whole elements in group 1 here are called what? Alkaline metals. For group 2, they are called what? Alkaline earth metals. Group 2 contains beryllium, magnesium, and what? Calcium. For group 3, they are called boron family, which is boron and aluminium. For group 4, which are also called metalloids, they are called what? Carbon group, which contains carbon and what? Silicon. So for what? For group 5, which is called what? Nitrogens, which contains nitrogen and what? Phosphorus. Now for group 6, calogens.
Yes.
Calogens, which contains what? Oxygen and what? Sulfur. Now for group 7 are what? Halogens, which contains fluorine and what? Chlorine. Then for noble gases, which contains helium, neon, and what? Argon. So these are the stuff you should know about periodic table, their names. You get. So furthermore, now we'll be discussing about what goes on in the periodic table. That's characteristics of periodic table.